Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over using PDFs uploaded to D2L for Hypothes.is Assignments. Before beginning, we will want to make sure that our PDF is properly OCR'd. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. We can OCR PDFs in Adobe Acrobat or by using Hypothes' DocDrop OCR webpage, which will be linked in the description. Let's get started. First, create a new module. Title it Hypothesis PDFs. This is where we will upload the PDFs we want to use. Do not hide this module nor the PDFs that we will upload. Doing either will make the PDF unavailable to students when they access the Hypothesis assignment. Now we can upload the PDFs to this module. To do so, click on New Upload Files. In the pop-up that appears, select My Computer. Then either drag and drop PDFs or click on Upload and select the PDFs we want to use. Note that the PDF should be less than 2 GB. If it is greater than 2 GB, D2L will not allow us to upload it. To create a Hypothesis assignment, find the module that we want to add the assignment to. From there, click on Add Existing Activities, then select Hypothesis Reading. A pop-up will appear asking us where the PDF is located. Choose D2L and navigate to the PDF we want to use. The pop-up will update. We can see the title of the PDF we selected. Give the assignment an appropriate title. Then click on Continue. The Hypothesis assignment will be added to the bottom of the topics list in the chosen module. Click on the topic title. This will open the assignment in a new tab. The PDF should be on the left. We can highlight and annotate the text. On the right sidebar, we can see annotations and comments left by others if they have already done so. A final note, if we are having a hard time highlighting certain parts of the text or see an orange banner in the upper left saying that the document is not OCR'd, we will need to OCR the document and re-upload it to D2L. We can then change out the document in the Hypothesis assignment to the OCR document. A tutorial on switching out PDFs will be linked in the description. That's it for this video. If there are any further questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.